Hi everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with a quick video. I'm coming in real quick to talk about the Apple Card. The Apple Card. I got my card today. I applied probably 2 weeks ago on my iPhone, which was very easy to do. Dang, sorry, didn't know this was still going. Which was easy to do. It's for Apple people who have iPhones, and I didn't even know that. I thought you could go to the website, the Apple website, and fill out an application for the Apple Card. But after doing a little bit of research, a lot of people said that you had to have an iPhone in order to apply for this card, which is crazy to me. But it took me probably about no more than 10 minutes to do the application. I mean, it was really easy, super easy. So I ended up doing that. I got approved for the card straight from my phone. And once I got approved, it asked me if I wanted to accept the terms. You just click accept or decline or whatever. And from that point on, you can actually use the card that fast within the 10 minutes of applying for it. So yeah, I applied for the card. I instantly got it. It went into my wallet, which is an app on the iPhone. So basically what the card is a real credit card, and I'm sure a lot of people know about this. I'm sure y'all have seen videos or heard people talking about it or whatever, but it's actually a credit card that you could use inside your wallet and pay using Apple Pay. And you just put your phone on whatever device that the store has and you pay from that. Or you could get a physical card, which comes, sorry, the flames. Or you could get a physical card that comes in about 2 weeks. And this is actually what the card looks like. It's a white card. It has the Apple logo on it, as you see. It has my name on it with the chip in it. And no numbers anywhere. And I don't even know if this is like that little strip that normally comes on the back of credit cards. I don't know. But it's actually metal, made of titanium. Yeah, you could use the physical card, or like I said, you could use the card, or you could use the app to pay. If you use the physical card, you get 1% back. If you use the app, you get 2% back. If you purchase any Apple products from, I think the Apple store, I'm not 100% sure about that, but you get 3% back. Like I have Apple Music and I have iCloud storage. So if I sync those payments to this particular card, I would get 3% back from those things. I mean, it's not a lot of discount, but it is some discount. And when you get those little kickbacks, those rewards, you get them within 24 hours, and it goes straight into your Apple, what is it called? Apple Cash something. Apple Cash. Let me see. What is it called? Apple Cash. And as you see on mine, I don't even know if it's going to show up, but as you see on mine, I already got like $1.29 back, and I only made 2 purchases. I bought something from Sephora and I bought something from Best Buy, and yes, I instantly got the little cash back or the kickback of the rewards, the 2% on each purchase. From what I understand, if you damage this card, you can get a replacement card free of charge. And also, it actually tracks every purchase you made. Like, wherever you made that purchase at. If you don't think that you made that purchase or you forgot you made it, you can actually go into the app and click on it, and it could give you the location, the time, everything, like physically on the map, not just saying, oh, well, you was at this store at this time. No, it actually show you on a map, you know, your purchases. And then each purchase is color coded. That's why this is like that. I don't even know if y'all can see that or not. That's the reason why it has these colors all over the thing. It's just to indicate with your purchase. Like I said, I made 2 purchases, one from Best Buy and one from Ulta, and the purchase color was orange. Orange is for shopping, green is for grocery store, I think, purple is for entertainment, and so far that's all I know. I don't know the other colors because, like I said, I really haven't used the card yet. Only thing I don't like is the fact that because I don't have a lot of credit, you know, my interest rate is really high. So in order to not pay the interest rate, I'm gonna have to pay this bill every month in full. You know, they always say you're not supposed to keep a balance on the credit card anyway. So yeah, you know, it's still new to me. I'm still trying to learn how to use Apple Pay from the app because I don't normally do that. I'm normally just use my bank card and put my numbers in, whatever. But paying from the app and just tapping my phone to it, that most definitely is very new to me. So like I said, I'm learning, I'm getting used to it. So far I'm kind of liking the card. Yeah, I wish it could. There we go. Yeah, I'm kind of liking the card so far. It is a metal card. That's what it looks like. You just have this little engraved thing, and then the back just has the MasterCard logo and then the Goldman logo. That's it. That's just how it looks. Very simple. You know, nobody could, you know, copy the card because there's no numbers. I mean, everything is just in the chip. If you ever wanted to make a purchase and they don't take Apple Pay, like I said, you could pay with your card, but if you're making an online purchase, you will have to actually go into the app and get your numbers, your credit card numbers, and put those into the thing, into the payment part of wherever website you on, and that's how you can use it. And I think, I'm not sure how much you'll get back from doing it like that. I don't know. But yeah, you can use this as if it was a regular credit card. Yeah, that's it. There we go. Apple is doing big thing, and I love Apple products. I really do. Yeah, I keep y'all posted on how things going with this card. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave me some comments at the bottom, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.